Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Joyce, and for a returning subscriber, karibu sana, and thank you so much for tuning in to my YouTube channel. I thank you all and I thank God for you. So I'm in the kitchen, and on today's video, I'm going to show you how I cook or how I pop popcorns. Over here I have popcorn maize, I have salt to taste, I have bicarbonate of soda, and I have sugar. I also have Blue Band with me, and I have cooking oil. So I'm going to show you step by step on how I'm going to do it. So I have my sufuria here with me. I'm going to add cooking oil. That amount. So our oil is hot. We are going to pour in our popcorn maize and keep stirring them. At this point, you can add a pinch of salt. And then we are going to cover and let them pop. Make sure that your flame is low so that they cannot get burnt. So guys, our popcorns are ready. This is how they have turned out. For me, I could have eaten them like this, but because my nieces are around, I'm going to sweeten these popcorns for them. I'm going to make caramel popcorns for them. So let me show you the other step of how I'm going to sweeten them. So the next step is we are going to pour in our sugar. We are going to keep stirring until it melts. So this is how our sugar looks like. At this point, we are going to add Blue Band. If you have butter, you can use butter, but I'm going to use Blue Band. Keep stirring. And then I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. And then I'm going to stir again. This is how it looks like. At this point, we are going to pour in our popcorn. And then we are going to stir. Here. So this is how you make caramel popcorns, guys. And I hope my nieces are going to enjoy this. You keep stirring until these white ones, they are coated with this sugar. So this is the final outcome of the popcorns, guys, and they look very good and they are very, very yummy. I know my nieces are going to enjoy this a lot. So that's it. That's how it's done. So you can cook this for your kids during this holiday season, and I know they are going to enjoy. So if you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to put a comment in the comment section down below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Until my next one, it is bye bye.